What's up, guys? How is it going today? Hope you are having a good one. I mean, things are starting to open up, right? So that's a positive. Those of you that haven't been here before, my name's Ace Fraley. Those of you that have been here, welcome back. Appreciate you tuning in. I'm headed to my buddy Chris's house right now. He has a GTO. He's looking at upgrading his fuel system on, and I think I'm just gonna go lend him a hand, and if there's some time I may work on some of my shit on the CTS-V. So having said that, cue the music.
Matt.
Just kidding. For this thingy?
Well, turn the key on.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the top button in the center is arms the whole system.
So do that?
Yep. So boom, system's armed. So at that point,
Says something about window switch?
it's all built in. So
man.
wide open throttle and window, and it'll control up to 2 stages on my controller. And then the bottom button is purge, so you can push that and you'll hear it. Click the solenoid.
Yeah, that's fucking cool.
But then, like, even if you push the throttle, you'll see the throttle percentage change on the controller.
Yup. That's so cool.
My whole idea was, when I do the hood, to do that and then get rid of the wing.
You and your no wing having ass. I don't mind wings on certain cars. Like this one I like a wing on, but like on the Coupe, can't stand it because all the wings, they basically just make the tail light bigger and longer. Oh hey, I got a camera person. No, I gotta pay your ass. Come back.
No, just go.
That was it.
Done.
On those, the wings are terrible. Images, boom. On these, nice.
Nice.
Actually, take that. The only wing I like for the V is the ARP like Ricey Boy wing, like grocery cart. For some reason, it just looks killer.
And that's just a circle.
It's not.
I'm not used to having a camera person. This is weird.
Ah, there we
He's
go.
used to a
Focus.
tripod.
But oh, did it
Tracking.
focus?
It was focusing on the tree up there.
Oh yeah, it does weird shit sometimes.
He doesn't like this wing. Not that it has a wing, but he doesn't like the wing for this car. But he likes the wing for this car. By the way,
All right, let's go.
I'm Mandy.
They can't see you.
I know. I'm about to say hi. I'm literally about to turn it around and
You
say
waved
hello.
at the camera.
Hi, I'm Mandy. I'm the one controlling the camera right now. Ace is here, watching me be weird.
You're watching me watch you be weird.
Introspective.
Is that like kind of like a fourth wall break? We should show them the big spoolie boy.
Oh look, Spoolie Boy.
Oh yeah, I forgot that lens is.
I'm
I
not
just almost
too
knocked out your kid with his own turbo. That would have been
move your
fucking
fingers.
hilarious. He would have forgot it was his then.
Okay, tell us about the Spoolie Boy.
Check out the big spoolie boy. He doesn't. What?
We're trying to figure out.
Chris, tell us what you don't know about the spoolie boy.
The size.
All I know is it's heavy and it spins really well.
Spinny. Okay.
We just need a few fuel pump. We're doing fuel pump today.
Fuel pump
Fuel pump.
on this?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
I
my.
didn't.
Yeah.
I didn't know that was the plan.
I don't know if it is a plan or not. He said you needed to do it, and I said I'm bored. Let's do shit. So I'm here.
Happy Sunday.
I mean-
I was just kidding.
Happy Sunday. Oh yeah, today is Sunday. Oh, someone done peed in the floor.
Oh.
It wasn't
Good
me.
thing it wasn't
I
you.
didn't pee in the floor.
Did you do it?
Oh, you caught me.
Oh.
We caught the tater.
Bye.
Pause for intermission. So where's your fuel tank actually? That's it? Oh, that's weird. I didn't realize it was like right there. It's right there. Wow, I would have never expected that. sometimes. Is it just a vent tube or? Nope.
No, that's fuel.
Mmm.
Yummy.
Smells like a mix of stuff. Was it the one on the left or the right?
That one.
Oh, the one with the whirring. Oh, right there. Gotcha. That makes sense.
As far as I know, the one I just did is the only one that's got a gun.
That's weird that you wouldn't have to undo the other one going to the evap canister. Does the fuel tank come all the way out, or are you just pulling it out some?
Everybody I know, they pull it completely out.
Oh, that's pretty clean.
I may have to push right there.
Do you have something thinner, like that's not as thick at this side?
I believe it's the top wheel drive.
Can you push or pull on that now? I think it's like right there. Ah, fuck. Hold on, let me get there. Where will I go, bitch? This is fucking ridiculous. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Wow! Just knock it out.
So what y'all didn't see is that I was pulling on clips in here, and Chris was pushing on clips up there. Yeah, I was trying.
It's got new ones, so I was like,
well, I was trying to pull on the tabs as high up as possible, because I know leverage is dangerous. But luckily, your fuel pump doesn't look like this all over.
Yeah, all brittle.
Yeah. Sounds like it's in. Hope we put it together, right? You don't?
It is on.
Nice. Click.
Real ready. Oh, that's the
Yeah, that goes.
fuel level.
Yeah.
I always got to tap into all these wires here.
Is it going to be like that all the time, or only at a certain throttle? Or?
There's 3 different ways of activating it. You can either, of course, hardwire it, or pull a switch, or some kind of activation.
People are going to be confused about boost pump. I confused about boost pump. Boost pump controller.
Yeah, Kenne Bell boost pump. Basically, there's 3 different activation. You can do a Hob switch, which will activate this at 3.5 psi of boost. You can do it with a vacuum switch. So when you're on the throttle, vacuum drops, then it kicks the booster pump on. Or you could, like what I'm going to do is this is going to be wired for my activation for the nitro system. When the nitro system activates,
Yeah.
fuel activates.
Oh. Oh. He gonna go real fast. Okay. I figured it would have been throttle controlled depending on how much throttle you put down percentage wise, it would control it based off that.
I think there's ways to do linear, but typically it's just on or off.
Oh.
So if it's a naturally aspirated car and you need it just to on motor, you can run a vacuum switch. So yeah, so I'm going to only be activating it with the nitrous, unless Spoily Boy goes in there. And if Spoily Boy goes in there, I've got a switch.
So you're gonna wire all that in while it's out?
Technically, I can't.
I didn't know what would be best because you gotta put the
It'd
cover
be
back
easy
on.
to
Tap in on this
tap
side.
in right there.
That's fair.
Because literally all we're going to do, cut one wire, connect it to 2 wires on that.
What the hell? That fucked me up.
The leg just went, no.
Yeah, I was like, what is happening?
Yeah.
I would say the bigger wires are the one that powers the. I'm not a betting man though, as you are. So you gotta tap in the positive and the ground on this, or just the positive and ground it out somewhere else?
I think just the positive.
Okay.
The ground, you can tie to the car.
I figured, but I had to ask because it just made sense to ask.
Guess what?
Chicken butt? Ooh!
Done deal.
That's not chicken butt. Oh, so it's a pass through?
Yep.
Oh, I thought.
Yep. Pass through.
Gotcha.
Taking your stock amperage or voltage, amplifying it.
For some reason in my head, I thought both of these bad boys went to the car battery.
No.
And then this part went to that part.
That's literally just the activation.
That explains why it's so long. So Chris uses marine shrink tape. So when you heat it up, focus here, focus. It actually has like a little bit of like silicone type stuff that squeezes out of it. So it's the same thing we wound up using on the Lincoln when we did the air ride.
Let that hang to that side.
Ready? Alright, we need to see if that hose is got to finish the wiring.
I'm stupid.
Okay, we can start now.
See how it says 68? Ooh, it's spiking up quite a bit compared to before.
It's like right at 69.
Yeah, that was at 58 or so with the other pump in it. Oh, yeah, it's working.
Huh?
It's working.
Yeah, it went up to 70 something.
Yeah. And
And
75,
like
76.
78.
Yeah.
Yeah, it works.
Push to push some.
So now all you gotta do is run it into your nitrous controller.
I'll have to run it into a relay for the.
Oh yeah, yeah. Run it into a relay and then run the relay switch to the nitrous controller, right?
Yeah. The activation for the relay will be.
Yeah, that thing jumped up to like almost 80 and I was like, yep, working. Well, it's working. That's pretty badass. But anywho, that was that. Boosted pump and the new fuel pump in the GTO. So, I guess stick around to see what kind of horsepower and shit he makes on his tune. You're gonna show me two-step? Oh, we're gonna show two-step. We're gonna show two-step. I was about to end the video and you said two-step. I'm in. We'll end the video on two-step. How's that?